So playback is started. So how can you define this? This is the another uh, audio player. So if we check the audio content type, this is the playlist type. So here you can see. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fine and welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to track Spotify events. And if we go to the website, uh, if you check this website, and there is a two type of Spotify music player in the website, and it's on iFrame. Here you can see, if we click the right button, this is on iFrame integration. So we need a event listener, which is need to very important to track these events. And this is on iFrame, BioFrame, Reload Frame. So there is a two types of music player in this iFrame, and here is a more uh, recording here, and this is the podcast type of player, and this is the single type of music player. So what we need to do, we need to user activities when a user play the single music, and the second player is all type episode podcast type episode. When a user click on single podcast, and the user post single recording, post play or playback started, how many time play this track or podcast recording, we will track every details of this music player. So this is the podcast type of music player, and this is the single type of music player. So what we need to do right now, we need to go GTM dashboard, which is very important right now. And we are already here in GTM dashboard. We need to use a custom listener. We need to use custom listener, which is Spotify, for Spotify event tracking. So here you can see the Spotify event listener, which is I collected from Analytics Mania. For this code, all credit goes to Analytics Mania. So we need to copy this code properly. So we are copying this event listener. We're just copying this is event listener, and back to the GTM dashboard. So under the tag section, we need to select new tag configuration. If you are here, you can see under the custom section, you will be find this custom HTML. So why need to use custom HTML? For this Spotify tracking, we I already checked in GTM gallery, template gallery. There is no existing template for this Spotify tracking. So we need to use this custom template to proper tracking. So we can just use a HTML tag, any of custom listener with it. So by selecting custom HTML, we are copying this event listener before, just paste it here. So we are pasting this event listener here. So you can set it all page, or you can set it specific page. In this video I will I will set it all page, because I don't know which page contains music player. So in this video I am using all pages trigger. So choose the trigger, and here you can select this all pages. So the tag name should be this is the Spotify event listener. So just CHTML Spotify, which is standard name of this listener code, Spotify event listener tag. So I think this is the convenient name of these templates. So what we need to do, we need to do for a live visitor. So I need to submit one time for this tag, and here you can see our tag is already saved in GTM tag section. So we need to publish one time. So template listener edit. So sorry, listener. So if everything is okay, so we need to, after the publish this tag, we need to click a preview. We need to preview for one time. So check the we can check the activities for this iFrame integration. So we need to properly, we need to implement, we need to, so now connected GTM preview mode. So here you can see the messages are coming. So everything is okay now, and we are just going to the iFrame integration, which is Spotify player is available in this section. So right now we will just play the single Spotify player. So what happened, we can check it. So just playing this song. I don't want to listen right now, and we're just checking the activities on Spotify events. So here you can see the Spotify events are coming. So here you can see the custom HTML fire one time. So our custom listener is working fine, and here you can see the activities. If we expand the API call, so here you can see the data layer dot push. There is a many data you can configure with any text. So the audio content types, this is the track type you can see, and this is the just audio status is playback started. When a playback is when a track is playback started, the player, the sending the event listener is sending the information for here. So here you can see, you if you want to trigger this Spotify event, custom event, so you can choose a custom event. So if you want to specify the event, so you can track this too. And the second action is, you can see audio percentage is 1, and audio current time is something 2 seconds out of 2 seconds, out of for 140 seconds. So the next one is, here you can see the playback is paused. So what is our activity? First, we are starting just playback, then we are pause this playback. The third one is paused, but the out of the duration, audio duration, we are listen, we are playing 2 seconds. So initially after 2 seconds we are paused another action. So this is working fine, and we will just check the another player. So we are just playing the podcast type of player. Don't want to listen right now. So what happened in the GTM preview mode, we will just check. So number 19 message of Spotify event, you can see playback started. This is the playlist type of podcast. Podcast are already, you can see this is the playlist type. So here you can see there is a many recording here, and there is a many recording here. So if you can see these, the starting this playlist. So if you want to configure them with a tag, you can see just copy this name and create a variable. And if you want to send with a tag, you can configure with this parameter. So if you want to configure this all parameter and data, so you can create a variable. If you want to send specific data or specific parameters, and there you can do. So we will check the 20 number of Spotify event messages. So you can see we are just playing 2 seconds, and this is the track type, and this is the playback post. So you can see, so Spotify events, and this is the URL based. You can see the URI, URL, audio duration. So here you can see the last activity of audio duration is 63 seconds, and we will just play 2.72 seconds. There is a playlist hold a URL. You can see specified with this URL. When a user clicked on the playlist, if you are specified this URL, which URL are clicked by user, you can just sorry you can just configure this parameter with, you can as you can get as a value, this value of this URL. So uh, what we need to do right now, so our Spotify events are coming, so just we need to do, so we are going to make a variable which is number 19. So first variable we will take the audio content type. So we're going to the GTM preview, so sorry, GTM dashboard, and under the variable section, uh, and here you can see the user, under the user defined variable we have selecting new variable configuration, and by selecting data layer variable, just paste the audio content type. So what is the name of the variable? So audio DLV, just audio content type. So here you can see the audio content type. So we will just configure your audio URL, which URL are hold this music. So we're just selecting new and data layer variable obviously, and this is the audio URL. The variable name should be DLV audio URL. So hit the save. The another variable is audio status. So audio status is what is the audio status, play, pause, or playback started. So what we can need to sure we can sure this. So that's why we are configure this variable. So by selecting data layer variable, and audio status will be DLV audio status. So what next? And audio content type, audio duration. So we can just know the audio duration. What is the audio duration of this track? So we are just configuring another data layer variable, audio duration. So this is the DLV audio duration. So if the importance of this, you can see the, so we need to search DLV. So you can see audio duration, audio content type, audio status, audio URL. I think this is enough for this tutorial. So if you understand that how can you track this every action, or how can you access every uh, parameter or data as a configuring as a variable. So we are just creating a or just create a event with we will configure them as a parameter, so we will get the information what is happening in the uh, sorry, when a user play the audio track. So I think audio current time is very important, so we are just configuring another data layer variable which is clicking new variable configuration with obviously data layer variable and audio current time. So what will be the name of the variable? So this is the name, dlv audio current time. So I can configure this and another audio which is how many percentage are user watch this or listen this track. So we're just configuring another variable. So this is the name, dlv, hit the save. So this is the use case of just I am using I am just uh, doing this how can you configure with this data layer variable. So we need to submit one time for saving this variable. Now after the publishing this variable we can just create a tag which is GA4 event, and we will just insert the measurement tag which is GA4 ID, and this is will be custom event. So audio track, what will be the name of custom event? You can see. So we can name it just audio underscore status, dlb audio status. So audio status, so what will be the audio status? So we are just configuring new events which is we can add a parameter which is already I created in GTM. So we're just using as a audio percentage parameter name. So dlv, we can search as a dlv audio percentage. No, so we need to audio duration. So this is will be audio duration, dlv audio duration. So the second one is audio current time. So dlv audio current time. So the next one is audio status, dlv audio status. We will just bunch of adding parameter bunch of adding, where we will just adding bunch of parameters which is were already I have configured in the GTM. So we're just sorry, audio current time. I need to show this audio current time is this is audio current time. So the next one, we have just created 5 variables audio content type. So audio audio content type. Here you can see that we are just creating five parameters. So what can we do now? So we are just naming this tag Spotify events. Spotify events. We can specific the events name tag, or just this is the Spotify events what we need to write now, and we're just configure a custom events. So what you need to do, this is the custom event, so we are just copying this custom events Spotify Spotify events. So we'll just configure them with this trigger. So every action we will get from the user activity. So just save it. We will just submit one time for the live visitors in our website. So after the publishing this tag, I will be take another preview. So need to some time to load properly this website to connect the Google tag assistant. Sorry. We can just go to the debug view mode. The tag assistant is connected. Here you can see the messages are coming, and our custom listener is already activated on time. And here you can see, if we click the single type of Spotify embedded player, just we are checking the events. So here you can see the fired event tag is fired for every action. So if we go to the debug view, we are expecting these events. So here is, you can see the different type of activities are started, and here you can see audio track started, paused. So if you click the audio content type, this is the track type. We will just play the uh, we will just play the single type of player, and audio current type what you can see, and audio duration was 147 something seconds. So audio status is plays back, and here you can see the all parameters are uh, coming with this tag. And if we go to the second podcast type of player, so what will be the actual action we can see. So we're just playing this podcast. So here you can see the 63 seconds will be 1 minute, and this is will be 63 seconds, which is, you can see the even listener is because data layer. If we go to the debug view, so playback is started. So how can you define this? This is the another audio player. So if we check the audio content type, this is the playlist type. So here you can see the different type of player. This is the when I click this Spotify player, so the player type is a track type, which is song type. This is the single type of player, and the another is, this is the playlist type, which is already mentioned in, this is the podcast type of content. So you can see here, you can see differentiate these events. Here you can see the all activities are coming, and hey, if you want to specify every action you can do it, but in this video I just showing this. You can uh, you can configure any variable, any data you can access, which is already in your GTM. So you need event listener, and event listener will pull this every data which is user clicked or something, or played, how many time played. And if you want to know which user are already most clicked by user, so you can uh, track this URL, audio URL. So this is the video. So I think this is enough for this video, and here is the video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And if you are facing some issue with your tracking, broken tracking, or something else, feel free to book a 30 minutes call, one to one call, that you any problem or find out any problem. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.